Yeah, this is Chuck. And in order to understand what a qubit is and how the D-wave computer or the quantum mechanical computer works, with the qubits, first we have to learn about bits. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how the decimal, our system with two hands, we got this one and that one. That's why we use it. We go by 10, and it works just like this. As everybody knows, we're going to put spaces here. We're going to put these lines here so that we have 5 of them, and these are called placeholders. So we have a 1 space, then we have a 10 placeholder, then we have 100, and then we have 1,000, right? So if I put a 0 there, a 1 here, a 2 there, and a 3 there, that means we have 0 thousands, one of the hundreds, 2 times 10, right? And then 3 times 1, so it's 123. Now in binary or bits, we don't use times 10. See, 1, that's 10 times as much, that's 10 times as much, that's 10 times as much. In binary, we use 2s, it's twice as much. So what we do is we write down the same lines like this, and our placeholders are in between. Now, what we do is this. We got a 1, we got a 2, we got a 4, and we got an 8. Right? Now, since we're going to use switches to represent each one of these placeholders. So if I go 1, 0, 1, 0, then we have 1. We have 1, 1. We have 0 2s. We have 1 4 and 0 8s. So 5 plus 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5, right? So if we have this here, if this is 8 is a 1, then we have 8 plus 4, that's 12. 0 2s and 1, that's 13, right? See what I'm saying? And 13 plus, if we make this a 1 or on, that's 15. You feel what I'm saying? That's why it works like that. So in the next video, we're going to learn how we can add but you see how instead of using the 10 base, what it is your base is 10. And in binary, your base is 2. So this one is twice as much as that and twice as much as that. This in our decimal system is 10 times as much. You feel me? For the placeholders. So in the next video, which I'll make in just a second, as soon as I go get a piece of paper, we're going to learn how to add these together. And you'll start seeing how the computer works. But you got to learn about bits before you can learn about qubits. Peace.